Have you cleared the NISM Series 8 exam but don't know how to activate your certificate with stock exchanges? Passing the exam alone is not enough. Activation is a mandatory step to start working as a derivatives dealer. In this video, I will explain the complete process step by step. Step 1. Understand the importance of activation. After clearing the exam, your certificate must be linked with a brokerage firm and the exchange. Without this activation, you are not legally allowed to work as a derivatives dealer. Step 2. Join SEBI, a registered brokerage firm. The next step is to join a stockbroker registered with SEBI. Only registered brokerage firms can initiate the activation process with exchanges like National Stock Exchange. Step 3. Documents submission. Once you join the firm, you need to submit your documents like your NISM certificate, PAN details, QIS documents, address proof, passport size photographs. These are required for identity verification and registration. Step 4. Exchange verification and approval. The exchange will verify your documents and certification. After successful verification, your certificate will be activated. Step 5. Certificate mapping with exchange. Your employer will map your NISM certificate in the exchange system. This step officially registers you as an approved user in the derivatives segment. Step 6. Start working as a certified dealer. Once your certificate is activated, you can execute trades, use trading terminals, work legally in the derivatives market. Common mistakes to avoid: not linking the certificate with a broker, don't submitting incorrect details, assuming activation is automatic. From certification to activation, each step is essential to officially begin your journey as a derivatives dealer. Follow these steps carefully to activate your certificate and start your career as a derivatives dealer. For more NISM guidance and proper roadmap for equity derivatives, visit our website www.nismexams.in. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance-related content.